This one trick could help save you 30 seconds. Let's take a look at this question. If x is greater than 0, which of the following is equivalent to this fraction? Now, if we're being honest, this fraction is pretty nasty, right? It's called a complex fraction, which is a fraction within a fraction, and we're trying to make it look like this simplified version. So my first point of attack would be to get this denominator and make it look like one fraction. So I'm going to go ahead and write the numerator 3, leave that alone for a bit. The trick would be to multiply this denominator times this numerator, which is 4x plus 8, and then this denominator times this numerator, which is x minus 1 in parentheses because there's a minus sign in between, and the denominator would just be these two combined together, which is x minus 1 times 4x plus 8. Now, at this point, I'm going to simplify as much as I can. However, I'm going to write the 3 as 3 over 1, and I'll explain why in a bit. I'm going to rewrite the 4x plus 8, but I'm going to distribute the negative as negative x, and this is a positive 1. And now I'm going to distribute and multiply these out. So 4x times x is 4x squared, x times 8 is 8x, negative 1 times 4x is negative 4x, negative 1 times 8 is negative 8, and here I'm going to simplify as much as I can. Still rewriting the 3 over 1, I'll explain it here in a bit. 4x combined with negative x is 3x, 8 plus 1 is 9, and here I'm going to combine these. I'm going to get 4x squared, and I'm going to get plus 4x minus 8. Now, at this point, this is where it starts becoming, this is called the ear method, or I like to call it the ear method. This inner part is the inner part of the ear, and this outer part is the outer part of the ear. The inner part of the ear gives you the denominator. So 1 times 3x plus 9 is 3x plus 9, and this trinomial times 3, I'm just going to rewrite it as being multiplied to each other, because if I distribute it, I won't be able to do this trick, which is simplifying this 3 with the 3 and this 9. If I divide this by 3, that just goes away, and I'm left with 4x squared plus 4x minus 8. And if I divide this by 3, I'm left with x. Divide this by 3, I'm left with 3, and my final answer would be D.